What if history had taken a sharp turn in 2016? What if instead of Clinton, what if Bernie Sanders was the Democratic nomination? And what if he won in 2016? How different would American history be? Would the pandemic end sooner? Would there even be a pandemic? Could he have drawn out the treatment in Afghanistan? This is the story of the presidency that probably would have never been real, and how it would have changed everything. Like and subscribe for more. How did Bernie Sanders actually get the Democratic nomination? In real life, Clinton is more popular than Bernie. But what if the outcome had been different? What if Clinton lost the New York primaries? And what if Bernie won and won the nomination? And Bernie narrowly defeats Trump with 269 electoral votes to Trump's 259. Bernie Sanders' first term. Bernie Sanders' first term focuses on energy level and universal health care. The COVID-19 pandemic, a different response in our timeline. In June 2019, the COVID-19 pandemic hits really hard, hitting the United States. Bernie Sanders forced on every business to close down, and COVID stops. Election of 2020. Bernie Sanders versus Mike Pence. Last vice presidential candidate Mike Pence assumes as the Republican nominee. With COVID being over, Bernie Sanders annihilates Mike Pence with 329 electoral votes to Pence for 209. Bernie Sanders' second term. Bernie is certainly no Biden in this timeline. In this timeline, he cannot withdraw all the troops from Afghanistan due to his age. And the war in Afghanistan is still happening and keeps getting worse. And America is becoming the one thing that Bernie didn't want it to be weak due to his age. Bernie is criticized weak, and back home, Bernie is extremely unpopular. Election of 2024, his predecessor, because of Bernie Sanders' extreme unpopularity, the Democrats didn't even knew that they would win. Despite this, they would nominate Bernie's vice president, Tim Kaine. And Kaine chose Kamala Harris as his running mate. Republicans nominate DJ Vance, and he chooses Mike Pence as a running mate. Despite a bad presidency, Kaine barely wins, becoming the next president. America was shocked when they heard the results. Bernie's legacy. Bernie Sanders' legacy was making the COVID-19 pandemic better and America better. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also, if you want to do it, then please suggest the next video in the comments below. Thanks for watching.